every morning we log in to Super Tech. It's about 5 or 10 minute videos. It gives the guys some really good soft skill training. They love it. We absolutely love it. Like I said, we log in, we listen to it. Once it's done, we kind of talk about it a little bit, see how we can apply it in their trade. And one of the things I like the most about it is that it's across all the trades. It's not a trade specific. So like, you can only use it for restoration or you can only use it for electricians. It's applicable across all the trades. Yeah. They actually will go, like we've had them go out for the day, do their jobs and come back and be like, hey, you know that stuff we were talking about this morning with Super Tech? Well, we were on a job site today and this man had all this cool stuff in his house. And so we started engaging the conversation about the stuff he had, and we actually got a better job because he's like, oh, well, I have this other issue, come check it out. So they're applying the information they're getting to increase their revenue, to be better people.
You can to work with them.
Absolutely, and they're actually soaking in the information. They like I said, they started with the grooming, and because y'all talk about being well dressed and well groomed. You don't have to go crazy with it, but just make sure you have a clean shirt on and it's tucked in, and proper distance whenever you're working in people's homes, right? Where to park. When you get to those homes, you don't want to park in their grass. You want to park on the curbside in front of the home. It's very useful, soft skills, and we just absolutely enjoy it. I've actually recommended y'all to some other plumbing companies. We were at a conference, and they were talking about training and how they were trying to find all these ideas to train their guys on all the different soft skills and stuff. And I recommended you guys, and they were super excited. So yeah, we love it.